In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish courses using Notion, one of the most versatile and user-friendly tools available for organizing information. Whether you're an educator looking to share your knowledge or simply someone who loves creating structured content, this guide will help you transform your ideas into well-crafted lessons. Let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to head over to your connected Notion workspace. This is where all your ideas, documents, and projects come together, forming the central hub of your course creation process. If you're not already logged in, simply click on Log In at the top right corner of the page. Notion makes it easy with various sign-in options to choose from. So in no time, you'll be in your digital creative space. Once you're logged in, navigate to Notion Home. From here, you'll see an overview of all your current projects, giving you the opportunity to smoothly transition into starting a new one. Now, let's create a new page. Locate and click the button labeled Create a New Page. This is where the magic begins. A blank canvas will appear, ready to be transformed into a well-organized course. Think of it as setting the stage for your content. Here, you can choose a template if you need a boost in structure, or continue with the blank page for an entirely custom layout. If you're using a pre-made template, Notion provides numerous options tailored for educational purposes to help keep your course structured. Next, it's time to add your lesson content. This part is all about bringing your ideas to life. Organize your content into sections or modules, embedding text, images, and even videos directly into the page. Notion's drag and drop features make it easy to reposition elements until they perfectly convey your lesson structure. Take your time ensuring that each section flows logically into the next, maintaining a consistent, engaging narrative. This will enhance the learning experience for anyone taking your course. Once all your content is organized and polished, you'll want to head over to the Share button. Found in the upper right-hand corner, clicking this will reveal various options to adjust who can view and edit your course. Whether you're looking to keep it private, share it with collaborators, or open it up to the public, Notion gives you flexible control over accessibility. Finally, click on Publish. This simple action makes all your hard work visible to your chosen audience. Publishing through Notion is straightforward and ensures that your course comes across as professional and user-friendly. And there you have it. You've successfully created and published a course in Notion. This tool not only helps streamline your content creation process, but also enhances the presentation, making learning engaging and accessible for everyone. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!